Welcome back to Theresa's Dead. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. Hi, how are you? I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. Hi. We have a good old-fashioned BoxyCharm because this is the only box I get since Ipsy's dead to me. All right, there you go, Ipsy. So we have BoxyCharm until I get upset and ultimately cancel it. This is the, I don't know, what box is this? This is the premium box. Also came a little bit chewed up. It's fine, it's fine. We'll get through it. If you have never heard of BoxyCharm, which, I mean, I feel like you're living under a rock. BoxyCharm used to be one of the, I say used to be because I feel like that's firmly still true. Used to be one of the better subscription boxes. But then, I don't know, subscription boxes as of late have been, you know, really not great. Kind of awful. Really sucky. And yet I still open them. Why? Because I love disappointment. I get off on it. Anyway, this is the July premium box. It retails for about, I think I want to say $42 and change. I'll pop the amount right here. But essentially, you're allowed to pick some of the items in your box, which is a little bit different from years past where they used to just give you whatever the hell they wanted to give you. Basically, you get 6 full-size beauty products and yeah, about $39.99 a month, blah, 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 blah. And yeah. These are better than the Ipsy boxes because Ipsy boxes have really been awful. So these have not been so bad, except for the one box that I received that was about a year old. But you know what though? I love giving second chances and third chances and fourth chances. So let's open this bitch up. Ooh, I already know what one product is. Ooh, what are these? Oh, I'm a fucking moron. Okay. Look at all this stuff. Ugh. But before we do that, this month's theme is status 000. What does that even mean? Maybe I'm old. I don't know. Like, what the fuck does that mean? Status 000. Okay. All right. So let's start with the first product, and I'm going to pick the one that I know what it is. I actually didn't even know that this was going to be in here. So that's pretty cool. So I'm assuming that this was going to be the surprise for the month. This is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Eyeshadow Palette. I have this. I love this palette. It's a basic bitch palette. That, first of all, the packaging. Like, are you fucking kidding me right now? If you want to see the review, I'll pop it up in the corner there. This is spectacular. This is a great palette, especially if you're looking for neutral tones that no matter what you do, you are guaranteed to have a motherfucking amazing look. Now, the middle row is my favorite because there's something about the shimmers that are alien slut-esque. Like, they are so slutty, bitch. They're so good. So I'm going to put this on the side and gift this to somebody since I already have it. But this is nice though. This retails for about $48. And it's probably one of the better neutral palettes that came out this year. Now, if you ever wanted to try Lunar Beauty, I do have a coupon code. I know. It's affiliated if you use the code garbage. You can save some money off your order. But anyway, highly recommend checking out Lunar Beauty if you haven't done so already. Their palettes, especially these basic bitch palettes, are the fucking bee's knees, bitch. I love them. The next thing is from Iconic London. Ooh, that's shiny. Okay, really, you dumb bitch? Okay, you don't want to open. That's cool. Okay, you really don't want to open. Oh. First of all, that was horrible. Horrible to fucking get open. Like, granted, okay, my nails, let's talk about my nails for a second. Get out of here. My nails look like shit. Okay, they look like shit. And the reason for that is because I put on gel for the first time in a long time. I shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that. The gel nail polish fucked my nails up. It was so hard to remove. And then of course the nail salon I went to, one, fucked up my nails, didn't do a good job, and then tried to claim that I was frauding them. I don't even want to get into it because I'm still pissed off about it. But let's just say I had a $100 bill and they claimed that it was fucking fake when it wasn't, and I was so livid. Anyway, needless to say, I'm not allowed to go back to that nail salon because I may or may not have said go fuck yourself. But whatever. Anyway, that's a different story time. Oh God. Anywhoosies, so my nails are really fucked up and I've been trying to not have a lot of nail polish on my nails because I just want them to grow. That's why they look like this, okay? This was very difficult to open and it actually felt like almost was like breaking my fingertips. So that's not cool. So what the fuck is this? What is this bullshit that almost hurt me? This is the multi-use sculpting palette. Retails for about $49, featuring 3 shades to highlight, conceal, and brighten, and 3 shades to contour, define, and bronze. This multi-use dewy cream palette. Contains everything you need and more to enhance your natural bone structure and create a flattering sculpted look. Okay, all right, listen, I love that. I feel like the only real color I could technically use up here is this. Oh, bitch is light. Okay, okay. Bitch is pigmented. All right. Bitch is pigmented. It's blending out pretty nicely on my hand, I will say. So that is always a good sign. Of course, I just rubbed it all over to my hand. So now my hand's gonna look like it's half dirty, but who cares? Who cares? You know what? Even though this was a bitch to open, I'm actually excited to use it because I love hydrating things and I love cream products, especially right now in this fucking disgusting heat weather. I need the creamier the product, the better, because I can't put powder on my face. It will not allow me to. So this ain't bad. The next thing is from, I don't even know what the hell this is. Stone Street Soap House. Geranimo Wholesome Body Cream with the heart of a geranium flower oil. Geranimo, which I hope I'm saying that correctly. Or is it Geranimo? Whatever. It's a little floral, a little herbal, and so very Moorish. I don't know how I feel about that copy, but okay. Natural oils including jojoba, argan, and almond nourish the skin without making it greasy. Free from colors and parabens, cruelty-free, made in England, blah, 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 blah. Oh, it's an English thing. Okay. That makes everything so much better. Ooh, yes, jiggle me daddy. All right, let's see. I love when things say not greasy and then I'm like, bullshit, it's greasy. But you know what? They're not lying. It's not greasy. It actually feels really good on my hands. You know what? Yeah, maybe I take back what I said about the copy and how it was stupid. Maybe this is actually pretty good. It does kind of have a little tackiness. No, that's all me. I'm sticky today. It's fucking humid here. I feel like I'm sticking to everything. That's a me problem. This is cool. Okay, I'm excited. I'm gonna keep this in the bathroom and then lather myself with it. I think that's pretty much what I'm gonna do with it. But all right, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so I'm a moron because when I looked at this, I was like, what are these? And clearly saying that they're, you know, from fucking LUXE. These are all-purpose sponges. I'm gonna read this to you and then I'm gonna read you the price, okay? I need to feel, hold on. Let me read you what the description is. The duo-sided double sponge is best used damp and made for your liquid complexion products. Sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it on the skin. It's a microfiber sponge. Use dry to apply powder products or use wet will apply your liquid products, blah, 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 blah. This is $40. First of all, okay, Beauty Blender, I don't agree with the pricing, but I'm like, okay, $20 for a Beauty Blender, like fine, whatever, right? Like that's the bougiest of sponges, even though you can buy a Shop Miss A paw sponge, get 6 of those motherfuckers for $8.55. But you know what? If you want to have your Beauty Blender moment, who am I to tell you otherwise, bitch? But anything beyond that brand have the balls to charge $20 a sponge. I'm like, who the fuck do you think you are? Like, who the fuck do you think you are? Let me feel these little shits. I was hoping for that fucking fanfare that this was gonna be like amazing and oh my god. This kind of reminds me, do you remember the, oh shit, the Juno sponge? They kind of remind me of the Juno sponge except not as soft as a Juno sponge. There's definitely a little bit of texture to them. This one that straight up feels like, this is like caked up fucking old foundation over here. I don't know how I feel about this, but this is $40. This is the price of the box. Get the fuck out of here. All right. Oh, I needed a good laugh. Okay, so the next thing is, what the fuck is this? This is ACEOLOGY. This is a brightening treatment mask. Illuminate and invigorate a tired, dull complexion designed to enhance your skin's brightness and clarity. Niacinamide, Primula, I don't know, I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Varus extract, salicylic acid, and allantonin, whatever. Work efficiently to gently exfoliate your skin and promote a reawakened, even complexion. This bitch retails for $69. You know, they could have just made the box smaller and not include like this weird fucking shelf thing because there's nothing in there. The product feels so cold. Ooh, this is good because my skin feels so soft right now. I gotta get some more of this shit. This is good. All right, anyway, this feels so cold and it feels so nice because it's like fucking 1,000 degrees outside. And even though I'm in air conditioning, I could feel the fucking warmth on my back because I'm sitting near the window. All right. I love this. I'll orgasm with it later. All right, next thing is, or the last thing I should say, is from AVANT. This is the Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidizing Cleansing Gel. What the fuck? I'll get to the price in a second. A mild, non-drying gel. This aims to effortlessly eliminate excess oil, dirt, and makeup without leaving the skin feeling overexposed. With a cocktail of antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant extracts, it helps prevent breakouts and soothe irritation. The perfect step to your skincare regime. $110, bitch. $110 dues. I have to try this. $110. I can't wait for it to be like bullshit. I want to say I've seen this brand several times in these subscription boxes. I never saw the price that high for this particular product. I could be wrong, but holy shit, bitch. This is like a money box. This is a money box. All right, let's see. Let's talk about all the stuff that we got. Nude Prism, we love. I just don't need a duplicate of this. So this is gonna go to a new home somewhere else, but love this palette. Iconic London. Yes, it kind of broke my fucking hand while trying to open it. But the creams felt very soft, very smooth, and they were blending very easily onto my skin when I just kind of did a quick swatch of them. So I'm curious to try this out. This is stupid. This is, I don't know. It's honestly, I think I'm just more into it because it's so fucking cold and it feels so good. But I mean, it sounds okay. It sounds fine. You know, I don't know. I think I might pass this off to my best friend because he loves skincare. But yeah, I probably will pass it off to him. But this feels really good though in my hand right now. The coldness is killing it and I love it. This, awesome. Fucking love it. My hands feel so goddamn good. It's not greasy. It's not sticky. It's not gummy. It's nothing. My hands look so smooth and supple and succulent. I bet you want to fucking take a bite out of me, don't you? This is so good. It doesn't have a smell. Or, I mean, my nose is kind of stuffed anyway from like allergies and shit, so I can't really smell anything. Not that I could smell anything before, but this doesn't smell like sadness, and I appreciate that. So I'm all about Stone Street. This is fucking amazing. And then this thing, $110. I don't even know where to begin with this one, but I can't wait to see how basically bullshit it is. And I look forward to trying that. So you know what? Other than those two sponges that were really fucking stupid, this actually wasn't a bad box. It's actually pretty good. I don't remember making any of these choices. Nothing is ringing a bell. Oh well, but I'm very happy with it. And there are things that I'm actually going to use. So I feel like I got my money's worth, which is always a motherfucking plus. So yeah, let me know down below if you get BoxyCharm, if you are disappointed or if you love it. This month I'm in love, I'm obsessed. I can't wait to get next month's BoxyCharm. Something I thought I would never ever say ever in my life, I'm saying it now. What the fuck, yo? Okay. Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you get BoxyCharm, and if you get it, what did you get? If you didn't get it, tell me a fun fact about you. I would love to know. You know, I don't know, do you hula hoop? I'm sorry that was the only fun fact that came to my brain, but whatever, do you hula hoop? Let me know down below. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Actually, wait, before I even say that, I'm going to be live streaming this weekend on Sunday for Sunday Scaries at 6 p.m. We're going to be playing The Quarry, me and my husband, Paul Giamatti. So I hope to see you there. We're going to be playing a spooky game and I'm going to be talking over it and just being, you know, a moron. So if you want to watch that, feel free. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross, really nasty, really disgusting garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces, and I just want to gobble you all up so you can live inside my belly and we can be one. If you want to know what is currently on my hands, haha, nothing. Nothing will be in the description box down below. And I'll see you little cranberries later. Bye. You like that? Me too.